Hi there guys, my name is John from ActiveJail.com, and this is just a very quick video to show you how to stream third-party music services such as Spotify, Pandora or iHeartRadio to your HomePod. Now currently HomePod only works with Siri with Apple Music. However, you can stream your music via AirPlay. Now there'll be a lot of people that already know how to do this, but if you've come to this video and you're one of those that doesn't know how to do it and you're a user of Spotify and you want to be able to stream your music. So what I'm going to do now is show you very quickly how to do that. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. It's really appreciated. And if you've got a comment, please leave it in the comment section below. Thanks very much, and I'll speak to you all soon.